Welcome back to my channel, and for this Reclaim Wood challenge this time it's going to be a Halloween project. I'm going to use just 2 slats of pallet wood and I'm going to make a jack-o'-lantern, and I'm going to have an interesting finish. Just stay tuned to see what I do. I'm going to give it a coat of this. As you see from the samples, that it looks a lot better than the spray lacquer does. I think this thing looks great. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Thanks for watching. If you like what you see, please make sure you subscribe. We'll hopefully have more projects coming out soon. If you think there's anything I should have done differently or think I should have added instead, let me know in the comments. Make sure you like, subscribe and share. It would help out the channel. Thank you very much. Until next time.